Hi everyone. As you know, Tai Chi and Qigong are great low impact exercises that can help you stay fit and healthy, active at home. Following along these sessions can keep your joints moving and help maintain your strength, balance, flexibility and mobility. It's going to improve your well-being and your lifestyle too. So I've got some gentle Tai Chi and Qigong exercises in a lovely home workout that if you're a senior and a beginner, you can join along no problem at all. So let's get started. Starting with our feet hip width apart, really keep relaxed throughout the session and just do whatever you can, keep the movements well within your comfort zone. Arm stretches out to the side, bringing them together into a hug and bending the knees. This is a great exercise to open the joints, to warm up and get the body moving. Next, reach the arms high, relax, throwing the hands down again with a knee bend. Another great exercise is to open up the joints, get them moving and warm up. Keeping the knees soft, we are knocking on the door of life. So we are turning the waist as far round as we can, keeping the arms free and easy so they are following and swinging along. This is a great spinal rotation. Stepping out to a wider than hip width stance, we are going to circle the arms round to hugging the tree and sink into that horse stance. So keep the knee bend comfortable and wherever suits you best. Our knees are traveling in the direction of our toes. We want our posture to be lifted up through the crown. Bringing ourselves to stand in a hip width parallel stance, we're balancing the chi, breathing in and breathing out, focusing the mind on the moving hands and adding that resistance to the movement by imagining we are moving the hands through water. Shifting the weight to one foot, holding the ball to the chest, we're heel toes stepping out to our bow stance and opening the hands. We're going to transfer the weight again and repeat, adding a waist turn to move the hands and again focusing the mind on those pushing palms, connecting our mind and our body. And let's set up and repeat that on the other side. So focusing on that transfer of body weight over to the bow stance and keeping it slow and controlled. Let's combine those two movements together. We're breathing in and breathing out with our balancing the chi. We're tapping in and then heel toe out to our bow stance. Bringing it back to our middle, and let's repeat again. So balancing the chi, breathing in, breathing out, transfer the weight and step out to our bow stance on the other side. Next is our waving hands through clouds. We're transferring the weight over from side bow through to side bow on the other side, focusing our mind on our body. We want to be looking at that top hand and watching it wave. We also want to be turning the waist to power this arm movement, really trying to ground ourselves into the floor, feel rooted and connected, and feel that peace and calm with this movement. Imagine we are pushing ourselves through the cloud. It is a lovely mindful movement and one to enjoy getting into the flow. Separating the clouds, a lovely stretch high, circling the arms around and then relaxing down. We're breathing in as the arms rise, a gentle stretch through the body, breathing out as the hands come down. Lifting our arms up and creating fists with our hands. We're doing bear shake sits paw, transferring the weight all the way over to one side and then transferring it over to the other. So feel your core engaged by pulling belly button through to spine and feel that transfer of weight. We really want to be focusing on sinking that body weight into that supporting leg, and creating a body tilt by leaning over to the side. If it suits you, we're going to progress to a single leg lift over to the side. And I must apologise, I seem to have cut off my hands at the top of the picture here as I've recorded it. So I hope you can understand the movement and follow along. Feet together, a great one for our strength is wild geese flying. Let's do one with our feet on the floor and then add a heel raise to help with our strength and balance. And pressing palms at the very top, bringing the hands down by drawing that line right down our midline. Again, another mindful movement where we can really connect our mind and our body by focusing on the palms and focusing on drawing that line down the center. Great for feeling centered, feeling rooted and grounded and connected. to finish stepping feet together and pressing palms, bringing the hands down to the heart. Thanks again for following along this Tai Chi workout at home. I hope you've enjoyed it and you check out the rest of the channel. Lots of sessions on there to keep you fit, healthy and active. And if you're enjoying the content, remember to subscribe. It really helps support the channel here and I very much appreciate it. Thanks again and see you soon. Bye.